Hey everybody, good morning. Hope you all are doing good. It's a terrific Tuesday. We are doing another Chobani. This one is Simply 100. This is a crunch caramel pecan turtle. One container, one serving, 100 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 150 milligrams of potassium, 75 milligrams of sodium, 14 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 8 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of protein. Caramel non-fat Greek yogurt with chocolate cookies, caramel squares, and praline pecans. Okay. I'm not sure about the taste. Alright. That tastes pretty good. The yogurt's a little bland, but I don't know. The cookies are good, but alright, that's all I got for you guys. Talk to you later.